Complete English course. Want to learn faster? Check the description below for extra resources. Hello everyone, and hello Nexo. This is an English vocabulary lesson.
Hello, Emma. I am ready to learn.
Today we will learn words from this category: holidays, vacations, and travel, with words like beach and passport.
That sounds fun, Emma.
Here is how the video is structured. Words. Listen to each word. Quiz 1. Practice the words in Quiz 1. Hear each word in a sentence. Quiz 2. Practice the phrases in Quiz 2. Are you ready to begin, Nexo?
Yes, Emma, I am ready.
Let's start by listening to the words.
Great. I will listen carefully.
Holidays, vacations, and travel. Beach. Beach. Hotel. Hotel. Suitcase. Suitcase. Passport. Passport. Ticket. Ticket. Plane. Plane. Train. Train. Bus. Bus. Nap. Nap. Camera. Camera. Sunglasses. Sunglasses. Hat. Hat. Sunscreen. Sunscreen. Towel. Towel. Pool. Pool. Museum. Museum. Restaurant. Restaurant. Guide. Guide.
I know some travel words now.
Now we will do a quiz to reinforce the vocabulary we learned. Match the image with the correct word.
Hotel. Beach. Suitcase. Train. What is this? Beach. What is this? Hotel. What is this? Suitcase. Passport. Ticket. Plane. Suitcase. What is this? Passport. What is this? Ticket. What is this? Plane. Nap. Bus. Train. Museum. What is this? Train. What is this? Bus. What is this? Nap. Sunglasses. Camera. Sunscreen. Hat. What is this? Camera. What is this? Sunglasses. What is this? Hat. Pool. Plane. Sunscreen. Towel. What is this? Sunscreen. What is this? Towel. What is this? Pool. Sunscreen. Guide. Restaurant. Museum. What is this? Museum. What is this? Restaurant. What is this? Guide.
How was the quiz, Nexo? Now, let's hear the vocabulary in context.
It was good. The pictures helped me.
Holidays, vacations, and travel. Beach. The beach is sunny. The beach is sunny. Hotel. The hotel is near the beach. The hotel is near the beach. Suitcase. My suitcase is blue. My suitcase is blue. Passport. The passport is in my bag. The passport is in my bag. Ticket. I have a ticket. I have a ticket. Plane. The plane is big. The plane is big. Train. The train is fast. The train is fast. Bus. The bus is here. The bus is here. Map. I look at the map. I look at the map. Camera. The camera is on the table. The camera is on the table. Sunglasses. I wear sunglasses. I wear sunglasses. Hat. The hat is red. The hat is red. Sunscreen. I use sunscreen. I use sunscreen. Towel. The towel is dry. The towel is dry. Pool. The pool is clean. The pool is clean. Museum. The museum is open. The museum is open. Restaurant. The restaurant is busy. The restaurant is busy. Guide. The guide has a map. The guide has a map.
Now it is time for quiz 2. Match the image with the correct phrase.
The beach is sunny. C. The hotel is near the beach. A. My suitcase is blue. A. The passport is in my bag. C. I have a ticket. A. The plane is big. C. The train is fast. B. The bus is here. B. I look at the map. C. The camera is on the table. B. I wear sunglasses. A. The hat is red. C. I use sunscreen. C. The towel is dry. C. The pool is clean. C. The museum is open. A. The restaurant is busy. A. The guide has a map. B.
Good job. This is the end of the lesson. I liked this travel class. Goodbye, listeners, and continue with the next lesson.
I liked the lesson too. The words were useful.